Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You've seen my new video of my new Speed Queen Laundromat. In this video, I want to show you the steps of the guys installing the machines. In my other laundromats, I kind of installed a lot of the stuff myself with my brother. But for this laundromat, we had it professionally installed. So I took some candid shots of them installing. We'll watch the footage. A lot of it's candid, so I'll stop the footage and comment on anything. Hopefully this can help you out in one of your laundromat installs, or if you just find this fascinating. But if you have any questions, hit the comment section down below and enjoy the. If you guys want to see the space before the installation, click on the video above. It's a walkthrough of when we first leased the place. But let's see them get to work. This is basically them just bringing in their stuff. They're working on the sewer line first to get it all ready, bringing in pipes and marking the drain lines of the machines. As you can see, this is the old line right here, and they're putting a new line in there, and putting these T's where the drain lines uh, are supposed to go. So you can see this 8-inch line, tons of things into it. As you go to the machines, the top layer hookups to. Showed up with an 18-foot trailer. It was a 24-foot trailer filled with machines, grouts, supplies. I'll show you the side of the trailer in a minute or so. Well, they got a lot of machines in there. Start taking them off with the pallet jack. They're using the space behind the laundromat as a staging area. They have two guys basically driving over, picking up the equipment, unloading it, and helping them set in place. But they're going to put all the machines in the back, get all the cardboard, the plastic off of them. As you can see, they're starting to get the 8-inch drain line set up. And actually, I'm going to go back here real quick. I'll show you guys this. Hold on, let's go back to this. So this drain line right here pretty much goes down in the center of the floor. And to the right, this is where I hooked up the top loaders to it. Just put a trap in there. And then the other machines that go to the right, front loaders that use the gravity drain, they're going to come up through this one right here. It's going to go kind of squiggly and over and connect to those. And you can see the vent going up too from the pipe. It's an 1.5-inch vent. Here's some, looks like some cellophane I gotta get off of. Just a close up of the machines. This is the front of the machine with the plastic protective film still on it. Just had to take that off. We're using dollar coin and quarters for our machines. That's why there's two dual acceptors right there. Here's their trailers and their trucks. All their trucks have their name on the side. Professional crew. Here's the bases coming in. They're having the truck go up after they put it on the ground. Bringing those in. One with all single bases for all the machines. And we screwed each one together, and you can't even tell. Normally they go with a 3-banger or a 2-banger. But they did such a nice job screwing these together that you couldn't even tell. Grout, they showed up with 40 paddles of this 45-gallon paddles of grout. Here's the back of an open machine. This is them setting up. They're bringing over wood blocks so they can move it around a little bit. They're trying to measure off either the front tile or the back wall to try to get them all straight. They ended up kind of just making it pass the eye test. Here's the big machines up front. Dryers are not in yet. So let me explain what they're doing here. So this is a 3-man job. One guy's using the masonry drill with the vacuum on it so to suck up all the dust. This guy's coming through. This is an epoxy gun. It'll not hydraulic, but I think it's battery operated. Push the epoxy through this, mix it up, and it squirts into the hole. This guy's putting bolts in. He'll set the bolts in place. They'll come back, grout it, and then the next day they'll come back and crank the bolts down, and this thing will be solid. It looks like Milwaukee. I have a Milwaukee battery in there. So if there's 8 bolts per one, they have 12 to do. That's 96 bolts. They're not using wedge anchors. They're using these twisty bolts. Kind of hard to explain, but the epoxy gets right up in there and gets real strong. Same style, your same Iowa's, the wedge anchors. Same brand too, I forgot. It's a Hilti. No, Hilti's the, I don't know what brand anchors there. You're gonna bring one over the 80-pound dryers and they just throw it in the back of a pickup. Back to here. You're gonna mix it out. Our guys mix in. He's throwing it under. This guy's going over here and flattening everything down to make it all nice and neat. We ended up having just to paint the front here to hide the messy grout everywhere. Here's the 80-pound dryers set in place. They brought those over first. So I need the 45s and 30s to fit in there. Almost done with the grout. You can see the different base sizes for the 30s and for the 40s and 30s. Propping this up. They put all the machines on there, line them all the way up, spray paint all the bolts, take them all off, drill the holes, put them back on there, bolt them down, grout them, and then bolt them. So it's a multi-day process. First one's the most important one to make sure it's all lined up with the rest. But as you see, they had to use some wood in here to get enough height for the machines. They should have had a scissor jack. Or scissor belt jack. Alright, the nice machines looking nice. They're not all in yet, but it looks like the 60s and 80s and 60s are in. This is from the first 2 days of installation. And unfortunately, the third day I had to work, so I didn't